Hello everyone, Matt the Cat here, and today I'm gonna do something crazy. I got this catnip and I'm gonna put it on my jean pants and rub it all in, and I'm gonna see if Misket's gonna go after it. So I'm just gonna sit right here and sprinkle some catnip in. Oh, this is my dog Snoopy. Hi Snoopy. Snoopy. Go away, please.
Snoopy, you're a dog. You don't like catnip.
Yeah. Hold on. Misket, I know you're over there. Look, Misket. What's this? Oh my goodness, it's... Misket, do you like the catnip? Misket, look. Oh, she's more interested in the can rather than the... Oh, she stepped on it. It needs more nip. Oh my goodness. Hold on, what if I just... Misket, do you like the... Oh man, she's one big cat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this cat. Oh my, I can't get up. Oh my goodness. Misket. This. Oh my goodness, cat. There's something wrong with you. Well, there's something wrong with me, but there's something wrong with you. Oh my gosh, the lick tickles. Anyway, that's all there is going to be for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe for more cat videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Misket.